Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Nissin Udon, part of the Donbei series. This is a Oishii double strength, super duper, what have you. The full name of it is the title of this video. So yeah, what's shaking? It is Wednesday, and as they call it around here, Wacky Wednesday, because the kids only have a partial school day today. Wasn't like that when I was a kid, I tell you what. But yeah, that's the deal. And yeah, so they'll get home early, so I'm kind of trying to cruise through this really quick. But what's kind of neat today, we got a, what do you call it, a pinch collar for the dog. And today was the first time I took her out using that, because she just pulls and pulls and pulls and pulls. And with the pinch collar, I've taken her out to, relieve herself, but today I was just gonna go and leave her in the crate, and I looked at her and she was looking at me. I'm like, okay, don't make me regret this. And she got all excited and took her out, and it was great. I mean, she knows that if she pulls, it's not gonna feel great. So at first I thought, no, this is kind of a cruel thing to do, but she didn't pull much at all, and it was like, it went from being like really, really stressful and really hard to walk her. I mean, even with the choke chain, a bicycle goes by on the trail, she just started jumping up and down, and they go past, and she's just like, boom, in the opposite direction. You hear the chain go. She doesn't give a crap. But with the pinch collar, if she did that, she would be yelping. So yeah, I think she's happier going on a walk now, and I am for sure. My stress level's way down, so I think this might be a regular thing now, so I'm stoked. That was like the whole plan the whole time, and this was the longest walk I took her on today. It was 7 miles, and I got all my steps in that I like to get in the morning, so it's a win. It's a win. So I'm pleased. Yeah. Now if we could get her stopping peeing on the floor, we take her out enough. I don't know. I guess once we get her fixed, it'll be a lot easier. That's what my wife says. She knows things. I don't know though. We'll see. But anyways. Hey Pepper, you want to say hi to the nice people? Pepper! I think just over 7 miles knocked her out. Yeah. Whoa. They're doing construction downtown, and there's something big, loud just happened. I don't know what it was, but I just heard it, just like. They probably dropped something. They've got construction on the sidewalk again, or right next to the sidewalk. They got this, what do you call it? What the crap is that? Is that rain? God, I hope that's rain. Hold on a second. Oh, it's hail. You're passed out. Okay. God. Can you hear it? It's hailing. How much time's left on this thing? Yeah, come on. Let's go look at the weather. Come on, neighbor. Let's go look at the weather. Oh, I know what that is. They probably have some pots upstairs, and they probably dumped them out. That's fine. I don't care. He's fine with me. So I've got all these Indonesian varieties, and I've also got all these Japanese ones that show up pretty regularly from like Zen Pop and Umai Crate. Umai Crate, I wish more of their stuff was stuff I haven't tried, but you know. But yeah, there's another Umai Crate coming. I know there's another Zen Pop snack box that should be coming pretty quick. And those are fun. Not really diet boxes, but you know, whatever. Once in a blue moon, I'll do a whole bunch of taste tests with my daughter. That's fun. All right, we are done with this one. This is one that I'm not expecting I'll like, unfortunately. Yeah, I thought it was hailing, but no, simply water getting dumped, which is no problemo. Oh, come on. God, I really cut it nicely. Come on, just come out of the pack. Sometimes if you just don't cut it just right, then it doesn't want to work with you. There we go, that's fine. Come on, stir it up. Stir it up. This is almost stew-like. There's a lot in here. Come look. See? So it said it was like double strength with a lot of extra stuff. It said there was fried egg in here, which I thought was fascinating. Standard looking udon, flat, broad. There's some broth and some bits. That looks to be egg. And some, looks like tofu and egg and honestly, not something I can get like really enthusiastic about. It's I like chewy udon. I don't like this stuff. I know there's a guy in Ramen Junkies, and he multiple times he's from Japan, really nice guy, and he will boil these, not make them in the pot. And I think he said something like the noodle gets a little more thick and chewy. I don't know how that would be. It seems like since it's made for not boiling, it would get way different. But I mean, he's in Japan, he should know. The king. And I'll do one of these too. Kamaboko. Standard. Yeah. A little bit of spring onion. Yeah. Oh, now my phone's ringing. Well, I'll let it ring. I'll let Rotato do its stuff. So here we go. Ah. Whoa. All right, so the next one you're gonna see is from Malaysia. This is from Red Chef, and this is their sesame clear soup noodles, and I don't understand this. I've had it before. I really don't have a context, but open mind, haven't had it in quite a while, so I'm going to give it another try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Thanks, bye. Pepper. Pepper.